Welcome to Backpacking with Lidia. We are finally getting sorted. We arrived in Fernando de Noronha yesterday. It's the preserved island. It's astounding, but yesterday I was freaking out. So we got here and the prices to get onto the island were quite expensive. We had to pay between, I knew we were going to pay, I didn't realise Lidia was going to get charged as well. So it actually cost us, we're going to be here for 4 days and it cost £150 basically to just step foot onto the island. So we paid it and it's all done now, but I'm going to put the prices underneath so that you have the information, because I was looking for the information and it's quite difficult to find. Also, it's all in Portuguese, so if you're an English speaker or you understand English and you don't understand Portuguese, then this video is going to be really useful to you. And look at the comments underneath, because I'm writing all the information down so you have it and it's there. So I'm going to show you where we've stayed. We were due to stay at one place and we got there and they were fully booked. We wanted to stay there, so we've ended up staying at it's a surf joint. So they've got loads of surfboards here, but actually our room is great. Now, anyone that follows our channel will know we don't stay in 5-star hotels generally, now and again, but not generally. So the place that we're staying is very economical for Fernando de Noronha because this is a 5-star island. So we've got a double bed, like a surf joint. Sorry, it's a bit messy. We've got our clothes out for the first time because I just needed to get everything out and see everything that we have. This is our bathroom. It has hot water. This bathroom is lovely. This bathroom is a higher standard than a lot of places. And we're really close to Praia de Mão, which has turtles. We're going to go to, they have a Project Tomar here. This is what we're going to do today. Our tours are going to start tomorrow because I wanted a day off. So it may be in a separate video, it may be in this one, let's see what happens. We are going on a land tour of the island and we're also going to do the boat tour. I think we're also going to do the alternative to snorkeling. So I'll give you the information in a different video to snorkeling, but we're not going to do that. Lidia, we're just not doing that. So this is very exciting. We are doing all our tours with Primerissimo, so you'll be seeing some of our stuff on Instagram with a link to that. Espera un segundo, we're just about to eat. So we'll see you in a minute.
Hi, I'm Lidia. This is my mommy. And we are
Backpacking with Lidia. We're on a journey around the world, but where will we go next? Subscribe and follow our journey. We might even surprise you as much as we've surprised ourselves. Hello, and we are at Project Tomar, and I'm here with Liziani. She is actually the landlady of where we're staying in the surf place. Hello, Liziani.
Hi.
And she speaks English. I had no idea because we're speaking all Portuguese. So if you come here, I'm going to put her details underneath. She has very kindly came with us to this area. It's also where you can buy the pass to get into the marine park, which you have to pay as well. So we're just here, 1 second, at Project Tomar, and the kids are playing because she has a daughter called Pearl as well, and she's 4 years old, so Lydia's having the time of her life here. They're over there, and we're just going to have a little wander around before we go back and eat. So this place puts on little shows for the children every evening about 8 PM, and it's quite an interesting place to visit. All our tours on the island were with Primerissimo, and this is the agency that we recommend. Today we are going to do the boat tour in Fernando de Noronha, so we're going to look at all the beaches. We better be seeing dolphins today, this is why we're here. We didn't really spend a lot of time at the beach yesterday. Some people might have said it was a wasted day because people get here and they go straight to the beach. This is our first time here, and I think I've got here and I didn't really know everything about the island. So we went into the Remedios, which is like the little village close to here. we had a look round. We came across this shop which is really popular on Instagram called Noronha, and I'm wearing their swimming costume today, so we're going to see that a bit later. Also, this is going to be like the best tour. The boat tour is apparently the tour where you really see all the dolphins, and then we're hoping to swim with some turtles as well. This is the Brazilian Galapagos. I just want people to understand where this is, because I don't think Europeans really know this place. This is a Brazilian place for 5 stars. This is a very expensive and exclusive island. So we'll see you when the tour starts. That's the game. We're starting our tour! If you don't have your own snorkel equipment, then you'll need to rent this for about 30 reals on your first stop. We've already seen 2 turtles. Today we're going to see a lot of dolphins. I'm so excited! And we've got a GoPro, so it's all okay. This tour will really help you locate beaches, and because it goes around the island, it's really good to do on your first day. The main attraction of this tour is the fact that you'll have the opportunity to see the families of dolphins, and Fernando de Noronha is the most well known for that. Due to conservation laws, you're not allowed to get into the water and swim with the dolphins. However, just seeing them in their natural habitat is breathtaking, and I really recommend this tour specifically for this activity.
Vamos a bailar.
This is where we're going to do snorkeling. Lidia's ready. I'm just going to put mine on, and then we have about an hour here. So this is like the highlight of the tour, and then we will be going back to Porto, where we're probably going to do more snorkeling because there are turtles swimming all around the bay, so we want to get some footage for that. So we'll see you in a minute. You should feel that an hour is sufficient for being on the boat and having time to swim in the water. Bueno, yeah, this boat trip is finished, and we are stopping in Praia Porto. This is the port that has all the turtles, and it has dolphins really close by. It's where we filmed all the dolphins. So now we're just gonna chill at the beach for 2 hours, and then we're gonna do Pratinhas VIP, which you're gonna see what that is a bit later. And so I'm very happy with today, and we'll see you when we're at the beach. Join us next week to continue the adventure.
Vamos a bailar.